Around to me, then girl, I roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
Fuck me cause they know my cutty. Ready, I'm smoking dope like a kid cutty. Cutty, I'm watching bitch now they get ready.
Yes, it'll be fine. Ready?
Going through these battles, fucking with these models, all the way in Cali. Foot up on the dollar, love, focused on the vision. Trying to pay tuition for the ones I'm missing. Family is a mission.
It started with the hay, locked a creek and well it just started in the hay. He took his ass back to the crack shack with his long johns on, singing that old song. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, you better run. My baby's got a gun, it goes boom boom crack, da 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 boom.
I hope I get some serious burns.
I'm hoping for swallowing, like shoulder, lower back. Yeah, it's only fun if you get a scar out of it.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Pain. Love it.
Oh, great. Who let him in?
And we'll never be afraid again. Save my
Son, you should be asleep.
I was thirsty.
Yeah, come here.
Dad, are you gonna get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.
I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No,
Sorry.
It started with the hay, locked a creek and well it just started in the hay. He took his ass back to the crack shack with his long johns on, singing that old song. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, you better run. My baby's got a gun, it goes boom boom crack,
I brought back some takeout, so like, let's get down and pig out.
It's Shredder!
Where?
So I party like a rock star, look like a porn star. Every day I go hard, riding in my sports car. Lost in that VS, songs on replay, spinning like a DJ. Make you look, 'cause I go faster and harder.
Where have you been?
Oh, you know, catching up with Mom.
Little something I've been working on.
If you say Dragonfly 2, I'm locking you up.
So hard every night and day, and now we get to play back. Trying so hard, giving up the paper, now we get to lay back. Working so hard every night and day, and now we get to play back. The payback, the payback.
What are you planning on doing here?
Jumping? Unless someone has a better idea.
Ugh, boys. No, just friends.
Come on. I've seen the way you two are together.
If you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available.
He only has eyes for your mom.
Oh, playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, how dare you! Oh, look at all the stuff. We're not getting away.
We just back the fuck.
Mama didn't raise no fucking bitch. We keep going.
No. Mama raised the business, go.
Mama didn't raise nobody, actually. My mom was absent.
Oh my god. While going down.